Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can fix the automatic lock on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us get started with you. And if you have a problem with automatic blocking, first of all, I want to show you what the problem might be. In order to find the auto lock, go to the Settings menu on your iPhone, and then in Settings, select Display Brightness, then scroll down, and as you can see here, you can find Auto Lock. But if you try to click on it, it will be inactive, so it's not working and it'll stay there for 30 seconds. Most likely the problem is that you have the battery saver on. How to see your battery, first of all, will be yellow color and as if that auto lock will not be active. So how do you fix this situation? To do that, friends, please go back to Settings on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top so you get a search bar, click on it. Type in the word low. Select this option. Then when you find the option here, which is called Low Power Mode, you just need to turn it off. As you can see, instantly the battery turned yellow color to plain black color. And now friends, when you go to Auto Lock screen, as you can see it will already be active. And it's going to be the time that you've set up. This is the way, friends, you can easily fix the auto lock on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful to you and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments for sure, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.